Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to favorite videos or photos on your iPhone and also how to view only those specific items you selected. So scroll through here and then go to the Photos application, and then you can go to your library and then choose some photos under here that you want to go ahead and favorite. So find something and then hold down on it. So let's go to this one or this one right here and then go to favorite. It says copy, share, favorite. Boom. It's now got a heart on it. Then go to the top right of the screen where the three little dots are. Go down to filter. Now you can see favorited, edited, photos, videos. So if we tap favorites, we will only see our favorited content on our iPhone now. So I have these two videos. I have this one where a dog is playing with like a coconut. I can hold down on it and I can go to on favorite under here and remove it from this list. Otherwise, I can go to hide too and just hide it from my phone. So we can go back down, press the three little dots, go to filters, and then we can go to all items, or we can just specifically go to edited photos or videos, and we can go to photos or videos and only see those. So let's go to all items and return this how it was before. And this is really easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.